Dear children, let us start. This is the second part of lesson 1. If you have not seen the first part, so you have to watch that part first. Okay, so in first part, I was discussing about the hardware, physical components, and input devices I have explained. Now, in this, the next topic is output devices. As you know, as the name suggests, output devices are those which give us the output. Okay, in the form of hard copy or soft copy. Hard copy in the sense which we can get in our hand, and soft copy which is kept inside the computer system, right? So we will discuss one by one what are the output devices. Okay, so if you know very well how to work on the computer system, so you know what are the output devices, right? So first is printer, give us the output in the hard copy on the paper. Okay, printer, I hope you already know about that, because in the market if you go, you can get that on the shop. Printer, you can get the photocopy. Okay, so there are three categories of this printer: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. You can see it is shown in the figure. Dot matrix printer is less expensive but very noisy. It is also not in the trend, okay, nowadays. The speed of this printer is also not good, and it is measured in characters per second. Okay, as you understand, it is printing characters per second. You write words, sentences, paragraphs, you know. Next is inkjet printer. It is fast as comparison to dot matrix printer. What it does, in this, ink is there, so images and letters are printed by this ink, which is usually inserted to the printer, inkjet printer. This is the fast. This is the speed of this printer is fast as comparison to the dot matrix printer. It prints in lines per minute. You can understand it is faster than dot matrix printer because it is printing lines, okay, per minute. Line by line it is printing, right? Next is laser printer. Nowadays most of the persons are using this laser printer. Okay, it works on the laser technology. Laser technology, what happened? A laser beam is passed through a paper, and all the material, all the content will get printed on the another screen. So this is called the laser printer. It is expensive as well as speed is also very good, and the speed of this kind of printer is measured in pages per minute. So as per sequence you can understand, first it was printing in characters per second, second it is printing in lines per minute, and third it is printing in pages per minute. So by this you can understand which one is more good, faster as comparison to the previous two, right? Next is plotter. Plotter is also output device. Okay, so you may ask what is the difference between printer and plotter. So what we do, in printer we can get the printout on a small sheet of paper, but in plotter what it does, it prints on a large sheet of paper, like maps, building drawings, graphs, okay, like that. So this is plotter. So there are three categories of plotters: for the drum plotter, flatbed plotter, inkjet plotter. In case of drum plotter, what we do, we print graphs on the paper, okay, large graphs, by using drum plotter. The first image you can see, this is the drum plotter, right? As you can see, the size is big, so it is used to print the larger drawings. Okay, next is flatbed. By the image you can understand more clearly. It is used to design the cars, ships, airplanes, buildings. Design of that, not that car manufacturing of car. Okay, I mean to say the design of car, because first we will have to draft on the paper what kind of engine, where the engines, wheels, everything else. Okay, next is inkjet plotter. It is used to design large banners, billboards which you see in the market. Okay, somewhere it is hang. So what are those banners? These are printed by using the inkjet plotter, right? Okay, next is LCD projector. LCD projector, this is also output device which you can see in your classroom. Okay, a laser, a beam is projected to the towards the screen, and all the content you can see over the screen. I hope this will be clear to you because it is given in your classroom. Okay, LCD projector. By the use of this, the help of this, we can see the videos, pictures, data on a large screen. Okay, whenever we give the presentation, whenever we teach you, so usually we use that. Okay, so this is all about the output devices. Okay, I discuss about printer, plotter, LCD, projector. Okay, so these are some output devices. I hope this is understood to you. Next topic I will discuss in the next part. That is the processing device. Remember, I am discussing the hardware components: input devices, output devices, processing device, the storage devices. I have discussed up to now input devices and output devices. Next, that is processing device, I will discuss in the next part. Okay, so thank you. Thanks for watching.